Okay, I thought it was a simple matter of putting the screws back in after getting ripped out. But no, I don't think so. I don't know what I think. Let's go see what they do on this side. Looks like a chunk of wood is coming out. Okay, so I really don't know what we're doing, but that looks like a chunk of wood is coming out. I don't know if I can hold this at the same time. What do you think? Chunk of wood? Gonna break the whole door down? Oh. Guess what? It worked! Kind of. At least it shuts now.